Welcome back. So with me I have the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, and in this video I'll show you how to customize the back tap gesture on this particular phone. So there's a feature on this phone. Whenever you double tap or triple tap the back, it will launch an application depending on the settings, or rather depending on the customizations that you have enabled. So all you have to do is simply open settings, then within the settings scroll down to additional settings, tap on that, and then find the gesture shortcuts, tap on it, and then scroll down and find the back tap option. So tap on it, and then I should see two options. There's the double tap, the double back tap, and the triple tap on your device. Now all you have to do is simply tap on the option that you like to customize. So if you want to customize the double back tap on it. Then I should see a list of options that are available for this particular gesture. So you can either choose to take a screenshot, open control center, notifications shade, and all the other options that are up here. So find the one that you'd like. So let's say launch camera. And then you can also customize the triple back tap. So select that and also choose to the option that you prefer. So let's say calculator. And then once you have set that, all you have to do is simply double tap on the back, and that will launch the camera as you have seen. So depending on the option that you have set, so for us we have set double back tap to launch the camera. So if you double tap it twice, and that will launch the camera. Now if you like to triple tap to open the calculator, so all you have to do is triple tap. Sorry, that's double tap. So triple tap, 1, 2, 3, and you can see it has launched the calculator. So that's basically it on how to customize the back tap gesture on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.